Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Jamaica's tourism industry is piggybacking on news from the United States, suggesting that the country is out of the pandemic phase. According to senior strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Seabright, plans have been set in motion for tourism arrivals to hit close to pre-pandemic levels in the summer. Jamila Maitland reports.
The ripple effects of leading disease prevention expert in the United States, Dr. Anthony Fauci's statement is already sending waves of optimism through Jamaica's tourism industry.
We are certainly right now in this country out of the pandemic phase. Namely, we don't have 900,000 new infections a day and tens and tens and tens of thousands of hospitalizations and thousands of deaths.
But what does this mean for Jamaica?
What it will do is continue to encourage the removal of travel restrictions and other things that have held back the true growth of tourism and the movement of people globally. And this means that more people will feel comfortable traveling to Jamaica.
Delano Seabright is a tourism advisor for the government. He explained that the number of bookings to Jamaica for the summer was already rivaling pre-pandemic levels. Now, it may get even better.
We expect a robust summer that may very well challenge the summer of 2019, which is the last real year we had prior to COVID.
But there are concerns about a possible spike in COVID cases as more restrictions are relaxed. The government removed the testing requirement for visitors recently. However, Mr. Seabright says majority of the visitors to Jamaica are vaccinated. About 60% of Jamaica's main tourism market, the United States, received the jab. As for Jamaica, that figure remains under 30%. And with the new variants of the Omicron, BA1 and BA2 detected in Jamaica, both of which are highly transmissible, the tourism advisor is again urging Jamaicans to get vaccinated.
If we want to move on faster, we need more people to become vaccinated, and we need more people to ensure that they exercise tremendous personal responsibility, especially those who are at the higher risk.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
The U.S. currency is selling for an average $155.58. $121.64 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $193.63 for the pound, and $167.01 for the euro. And the JC index advanced by 2,786 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 10 points. Among today's winners were iCreate, Everything Fresh, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Epley 6% preference shares due 2024, and Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares. While on the losing side were Express Catering, Jamaica Public Service Company 9.5%, Paramount Trading, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.